Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a metal detector, this video is for you. So I'm gonna give you a quick overview of all the things that this does, how comfortable it is to hold, how to use it, and some tech stuff as far as what exactly it does. It's actually really cool. First thing to note is that this can telescope up to 36 inches from the handle to the base where it's doing the old metal detecting. This cable, just in this example, is like this, but more likely it would be wrapped around this tube. It can be extended, and it has these clips right here to kind of lock it in place. Very convenient and easy to use. It comes with a built-in battery that also comes with a USB to USB-C to charge. Very nice and convenient. It has some LED indicators on there letting you know if it's fully charged or not. This screws in nice and neat. This connects the actual detector to the, I'm gonna call it the computer. And then it also comes with headsets, so you can have it, you can listen to it and really listen closely for the audio tones to let you know that you've found whatever you might be looking for. Also comes with a padded, so this is a padded armrest, so when holding it, you can kind of lock it in, and it kind of prevents strain on the wrist. And this also can be adjusted to slide perfectly to meet, you know, the forearm to grip position. A cushion, sort of a rubber cushioned handle here, and this is made out of the orange part is like a hard plastic, and then the black parts here look to be some sort of looks to be like aluminum, you know, so definitely on the higher end from a construction standpoint. This looks like it's hard plastic with the sensor built inside. Very, very cool. It also comes with a knife for digging, sort of like a digging knife. So you find something that allows you to kind of dig down and get what you need. It does come with a strap, so you can put this on your waist when doing your searching. And then I wasn't expecting this. It comes with a camo design style full-blown backpack that holds all of this in here plus a lot of other stuff. It's actually oversized, so it's not really just to hold everything that's in here, but it's just sort of like, it's like a tactical backpack. Looks to be kind of water resistant as far as the material on it. It has just a ton of zippers, pouches, nets to hold bottles, water bottles, just like definitely like more of a tactical style backpack. So the display is very easy to use. There's just a simple on button. The digital display turns on. There's some audio tones there. There's also a light so you can illuminate it to make it easier to see, especially in the daytime. Let's say you're outside and the sun's out nice and bright. That was an unexpected benefit. Across the top, it has these indicators. So it's FE 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then some easy to understand, already pre-noted things, kind of let you know what metal you might be picking up on the detector. So everything from ferrous down here, which would be, you know, something that might not be wanted, all the way up to, and it kind of references like coins, 1 cent, 25 cent, dollars, and it ranges from gold to silver. So the metal detector is going to be able to kind of gauge not only if there's metal, but what type of metal it is. So if you scan over something that maybe falls in this range and it might be something you're not looking for, this would tell you, and then you can kind of keep searching. Very, very cool. There's a whole bunch of settings, but in this example, we'll just use a quarter and kind of let you know that it's picking that up. And you'll note that it's flashing the 5. Switch it to, let's say, a nickel. Has a different metal composition, and then we have a dime. Then it has a different one. And so it's definitely picking up different types of metal based on how the sensor works. You can change the sensitivity, so you can increase the sensitivity, which then you don't have to be as close, you know, when it's picking up, versus having the sensitivity really tight. And so that kind of changes your field of view when it's doing its detecting. There's also a cool mode that is called, it's DISC. And what this allows you to do is identify something, let's just say you don't want, and then remove that from what the sensor will pick up. So in this example, we're gonna use this nickel. It's gonna pick it up, and we're gonna say, no, we don't want that. So now, if I wanna find a dime, that different metal composition, it's gonna alert me to that. But if I go back and I find another nickel, It's not going to do anything. So you're able to eliminate the things that you don't want so you can focus on the things you do want. Another very cool mode is called memory. And so in this example, what we've done is we've taken, let's just say, a nickel, and it has a certain metal composition. And we lock that in. And so what happens is the device says, okay, that's the only thing we want to focus on. So now if I pull out, let's just say, a dime with a different metal composition, it's not going to register it. But if I find another nickel, it's going to let me know that I've identified what I'm actually going after. That's pretty cool. Another mode is called jewelry. And when this mode's selected, it automatically removes things such as like iron if that's not what you're looking for. So it automatically removes it. So in this mode, if by chance you're looking for just say, coins, it will pick that up. But if it was something that, let's just say, had iron in it, like the metal tip on this plug, it's not going to pick it up. So it's not going to waste your time doing your search, and it's going to avoid the things that are not important to you. There's also a mode called pinpoint. And so let's just say you found something and you want to really find it's exactly where it's located. It's going to allow you to adjust. And so you can really kind of wave the device over exactly where it is. And it's going to kind of highlight using these icons and audio tone, let you know, hey, you're right on top. Then you can stop and then you can dig and see if you can find it. This right indicator will give the user an idea of how much depth you might have to dig to kind of find that item. And that will adjust based on what you're finding. So it could be as shallow as, let's say, 2 inches all the way to over 8 inches down. The number here is going to range from 1 to 99, and that's going to let the user know of the that's going to represent the electrical conductivity of the actual target. And so it's going to really kind of fine tune, is this closer to iron or is this closer to gold or whatever on the spectrum, but it's going to kind of fine tune that number. Overall, this device is very easy to use for adult or even a youth due to the lightweight and easy to read display. Full disclosure, this company did send this to me and asked me to give a full honest review. Hopefully that came across, and we'll talk to you soon.